Namaste, I'm Swati Singhania. Have you been suffering from your debtors not paying up? Have you been going through a major cash flow crisis? Because every time you call your debtors, all they say is, I will call you right back. And have you been wondering what could be the steps that I could follow so that my debtors start paying up? Here are the best 3 tips for you to ensure you start implementing them so that your debtors can smoothly start paying the dues that are due them. If you think this makes sense, do not forget to like, subscribe and share this channel and watch this video till the end so that you can see the bonus tip towards the end. Let's start going. Now remember, we also run something called the Prime CFO where we help our customers recover their debtors in a more professional and smooth manner. And if you would want to reach out to us, you can always click on the website given below or look for this logo anywhere or on Google and reach out to us, or just send us an email and we reach out to you to understand your problems and help you solve it. Now let's start going. The first and the most important tip is have terms and conditions written in your invoices. Your invoices should particularly have the terms and conditions in terms of what is the payment terms, if you do it, what will be the action or reaction to it, and how do you want to solve the problem. So your terms and conditions should always be very specific and vocal about the payment terms. The second, do not forget to have a regular follow-up with your customers. A lot of times the mistake that we do is we forget our customers, we don't start following up with them, and it's your money that you need to take from them, remember? So you have to ensure that you have a good follow-up plan. The third and the most important is, have you even considered taking a confirmation of accounts from your customers? If you have not, maybe this is the time, use this free time that you may have and start sending them confirmation of accounts. This comes as a great handy tool in case of any dispute you or your debtor may come across in the near future. So have the confirmation of accounts ready for you. Now, how are these 3 things going to help you? See, the first and the most important thing for a person to pay up quickly is that they should not forget that they have a due to you. So follow-up helps you in reminding them regularly that, hey, we exist. Do not forget to pay up. The second, when you have terms and conditions ready, there is no scope of any confusion between you and your customer. So that becomes very important. And this is further authenticated when you have a confirmation of accounts. So these 3 are the most important tips when it comes to recovering your debtors faster. Now let's wait for the bonus tip. The fourth and the most important tip is, if you are the founder of your organization or the business owner, it's a great idea for you to not do your follow-ups by your own self. A lot of times that does help because no one really likes to receive a lot of calls from your team members. And so a lot of times they will start paying up just to avoid those calls. So how about implementing these 4 suggestions that we had for you and tell us how this works, and I hope it works fabulously for you. Then don't forget to send us a comment as to how it worked for you and share your story. We would love to share your story on our channel, and also maybe we will learn a little bit from you too. So I hope this is helping to you. Do not forget to subscribe to our channels and hit the bell icon below. And thank you so much for watching. Namaste. Have a great day.